Hello my dear children, how are you all? Doing good? Okay, so today we will be discussing or we will be continuing the lesson Narayanpur incident written by Shashi Deshpande. I have already provided the video regarding the first half of the lesson. There was an introduction about the lesson as well as about Shashi Deshpande, and we discussed a few things about the Narayanapur incident, isn't it? So the character that, if you want me to I hope you all remembering the four major characters that I have written. There was a teacher and he was having three children, Mohan, Babu and the youngest daughter is Manju, and Mohan's friend was Suman. Mohan, I mean to say, when police arrested teacher, his teacher's elder son, the first son Mohan and Suman, along with their uh, friends circle, they wanted to protest against British or policemen, saying, why have you arrested my father? Understanding? So that is the reason there was a march that had happened. Babu and Manju also, they went very eagerly. They wanted to watch what is going on and all those things. They found Mohan. He was wearing a white pajama and cream color shirt, isn't it? So what happened afterwards, we'll do a short recap. So after that, one of the boy from that particular protest, he gave a piece of paper to DSP, isn't it? Can all of you remember the previous class? So DSP, so taking that sheet, he had a bright smile. He took his hat off. He had a bright smile on his face and he nodded his head, means he shook his head. He didn't say anything. So these boys or these students, they came back to their house and it was a kind of a very silent protest, isn't it? So that is the reason Babu and Manju were having a lot of confusions. They were very much disappointed because they were expecting something else, because their teacher, mean to say, their father was in a jail or has been arrested, and this is not the way of protesting. Okay, so they are expecting something more from these students, including their brother, isn't it? So after that, what happened? Mohan said to Babu, means when Babu and Manju questioned Mohan, saying that why did you came back so quietly? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಏನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವೇರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ವೈ? So Manju and Babu was having question. When they asked Mohan said, this is just a declaration of the war. We are doing this thing or this incident, what had happened, we just gave a piece of paper to DSP. That is a kind of a declaration of the war. You have to wait and watch. So what Mama is saying, teacher's wife is saying, Mohan's mother is saying, you are not a Hitler though. ನೀನು ಹಿಟ್ಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯುದ್ಧವನ್ನು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, isn't it? I hope you all remembered, and after watching the video also you read the lesson. So moving on to the point number 8. So before that, there is something that we missed, 2 lines. That was a notice. So here, to the question, answer to the question saying what was there in that particular piece of paper which you had hand over to DSP. So the answer is, that was a notice served on the collector as representative of his Majesty's government, asking them to quit India or face the consequences. See here, it is a very important notice that they had hand over to DSP. So what was there in that? You all, means British people, should quit India. ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Otherwise you have to face lot of consequences. ತುಂಬ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ, ಗೊಂದಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯುದ್ಧಗಳು ಆಗಬಹುದು. there are lot of things that gonna happen if you didn't quit the India. So that was mentioned in the particular piece of paper, so which is already there in DSP's hand or in office, isn't it? Moving forward to the next point number 8. All of you follow the lesson, page number 182. Point number 8. Suman and another boy turned up after they had finished their dinner that night. Suman, who is Suman? Suman is Mohan's friend, isn't it? So he and his another friend, they finished their dinner. Dinner means what? ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಊಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The boy staggered. Stagger means walk or move unsteadily. Understanding? So in with a large newspaper covered parcel in his hands. So means Suman and his friends, another friends. Okay, Suman and his another friend, they finished their dinner. They were holding some kind of a parcel, and they came to Mohan's house. Okay, in the night after finishing the dinner, they are coming to Mohan's house, and house. By seeing them, Mohan is asking, got it? Means everything is pre-planned. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನೋ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅವನಲ್ವಾ. So that is the reason, as soon as he enters the house, he's asking, you got it? Mohan asked. So his voice tense with excitement. He was having a lot of excitement, saying, you got it? Yes. Lot of trouble though. So with lot of trouble we got this. Who is saying? Suman and his friends, they are saying, we got this parcel with lot of trouble. ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Who said this? Suman said this. So where shall I take it? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕಿದ್ನ? Where shall I take it? He's asking Mohan, because it is a Mohan's house, isn't it? He don't know where to keep this parcel. That is the reason he is asking, where shall I take it? Here, let me help you. My room, okay mama? He is asking. Mohan is asking his mother, okay, shall I keep this parcel inside my home, inside my room? Mohan is asking his mother. So let's see what mother told. No, I think the puja room is better. A light there will look more normal. Right, as usual, Amma. The puja room then. The boy went away after a whispered conversation with Suman. Then Suman, Amma and Mohan went into the small puja room. Babu and Manju stared curiously over their shoulders at the mysterious parcel, which turned out to be a cyclostyling machine. See, what is this all about? Something difficult, isn't it, to understand? So let us make it very easy. When Suman got the parcel, Mohan asked his mother, saying, shall I keep this parcel inside my room? Then mother said, no, better you keep it inside the puja room. It is a small room and light is also very normal. No one can to say identify the thing is there inside. So you keep it in the puja room. Then Mohan said, okay mama, as your wish, I will keep this parcel inside the puja room. What happened after that? The boy went away after whispered conversation with Suman. So that boy who came along with Suman, he went away. They had some conversation. Okay, so both of them had a lot of conversation. Suman and his friend had a conversation. Sambhashane naditu. After that, that boy went off. So Suman, he stayed in Mohan's house itself. Now who are all there? Suman is there, Mohan is there, and his mother is there, along with Babu and Manju are there at the house. So this is the situation. Babu and Manju stared curiously because they are very small, isn't it? Compared to Mohan and Suman, they are not understanding what is happening. They are not aware that what to react. Such kind of situation is of Babu and Manju because they are very young. Alva? They are just a small kid. They don't understand what's happening. So that is the reason they were having very curiosity to know what's happening, what is inside the parcel and all those things. So at the mysterious parcel, so mysterious, what do you say? Mysterious something, strange, something strange, we don't know, something mystery is inside, we don't know what is that. So turned out to be a recyclo-styling mission is something like a mission used to, we were using in very olden days. It is like a machine. ಈಗ typewriter machine ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. So there will be a wheel here. Okay. So it will keep on typing like this. When the wheel turn, ಈ ಚಕ್ರ ಹೀಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. It is not kind of a nowadays we are having typewriting machine, isn't it? Or what do you say? Typewriting machine, you will get a printout. Normal English, you can just change the font sizes, isn't it? In your computer does all these kind of works. But at that point of time, they were having a machine like this. So they used to get a letter with a very stylish way. Let's say an example, A, you will like A like this. You will write a A like this, isn't it? B, similar to this, isn't it? So I'm not good at this, but still I'll try. Similar like this. Okay, so you will, when you put a paper inside that and start a button, you will have these kind of letters out of the printout. So that point of time we were having such kind of machine. So that parcel was having this kind of letters, since it is early, to say before the independence, 1942, as I said. ತುಂಬ ಹಳೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಇದು, ತುಂಬ ಹಳೆಯ ಮಷೀನ್ ಇದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9. Babu, Mohan said, as they settle down to work, sit out in the front room and keep watch. See, Mohan said, as they settle down to work, in a sense, they took the parcel. They were sitting inside the puja room. Who are there? Mohan, Suman and his mother. 3 of them are there. Since Babu and Manju are very young, he is asking Babu to sit outside. Sit out in the front room and keep watch. So ನೋಡ್ತಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ, ಹತ್ರ ಬರಬೇಡ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ irritate us, or if they come and trouble our work, so that is the reason we say them to stay away from us. So give us a warning. So he's asking, Mohan is giving some work to Babu. He is not asking him to sit quiet. He is saying, sit outside and watch if someone is coming from the outside to our house. Okay, so you should be very, very alert. Sit very alert. Coming to our house, if someone is coming to our house, you have to intimate us. Manju, go to bed, because she is very, very young compared to Babu. 2 years gap, isn't it? Babu is at 13, Manju is at 11. That is the reason is that they are asking Babu to sit outside and to watch if someone is coming from outside to their house. And at the same time, Mohan is saying Manju to go to bed. Okay, malko anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Usually in our house, if small children are there and we are doing some, let's say ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? ಮಲ್ಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ they will show very unhappy faces, isn't it? Similarly, Mohan, noticing her crestfallen face and a little saddened face, ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಫೇಸು ಮಂಜುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that is the reason he is saying, you sit here in the hall and pass on Babu's warning to us. See, since Manju, she felt very bad and she felt unhappy and she was expressing in her face because he told her to go and sleep. Okay. ಮೋಹನ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದಟ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಮಂಜುಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗಿವ್ ಹರ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬಾಬು ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್, ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಂಜು ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಬಾಬು ಇಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು, ಬಾಬು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಂಜುಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So, point number 8. So far, have you all understood? Point number 10. Babu sat outside. As Mohan said, Babu sat outside. Alert and attentive. Attentive is carefully. He felt a thickening in his throat. In the sense, he was feeling something. Difficulty in breathing or something happening on his throat. ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಗಂಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಂಟ್ಲು ಒಣಗಿರೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬು ಇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್. These three are sitting and doing something inside the house and they are asking me to watch outside. If someone comes, what should I tell and how should I convey, how should I pass that message and all those things he was thinking. That is the reason he felt a thickening in his throat. It was beginning and at last he was doing something. What a pity Gopya, Murali and others would never know about. Perhaps someday. He checked his friends, actually checked himself and kept his eyes and mind on the road outside. It was deserted, in the sense it is a kind of imaginary feeling. Deserted means ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಬು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. In a little while the 9 o'clock siren went off. In a little while he was keep on watching. He didn't find anybody, and after that what happened, at 9 o'clock in the night a siren went off. Siren andre ಈಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಇನ್ ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ you might have seen siren ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಡನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಒಂದು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೈರನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ the siren went off. Babu thought for the first time that day of the war being fought all over the world. So ಸೈರನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅವನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೇ ದಟ್ ದ ವಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಏನೇನೋ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಯುದ್ಧ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ವೈಲ್ 9 o'clock ಸೈರನ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಏನೇನೋ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಬಾಬು. And suddenly coming out of his reverie means dreaming something. Okay, so what and all he is thinking, it is just a dream, isn't it? So nothing is going to happen actually. ಯುದ್ಧ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯುದ್ಧ ಇವನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So just because of the scare or fearness, he was dreaming like that. Reverie means dreaming. He tensed, panicked. A man riding a bicycle. Finally, when Babu was watching the road till 9 o'clock, no one was there. He had a lot of imagination in his mind. At that point of time, what happened? Let's see. Very, very important and very, very interesting. It was So a man riding a bike got off and stopped right outside their gate. See, a man came riding a bike and he stopped his bike exactly near their gate, near the house gate. What did he do? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? So, but it was only to light a cigarette. So the man was a smoker, cigarette smoker. So he stopped the vehicle, in the sense stopped the bike. He lit the cigarette, lit, isn't it? He lit the cigarette ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು? He started smoking. So Babu could see the match flaring, in the sense glow on the man's face. ಆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇದಾಗ ಹೊಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೀಗೆ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So glow on the man's face, he can find that front of the man's face. The small point of light moved as the man got on his bike and rode away. What happened? He just stopped the vehicle to smoke. For a smoking purpose, he stopped the bike. After smoking, he just went off from the particular place. Okay. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? The small point of light moved as the man got on his bike and rode away. One more bike, Babu flung ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೈಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. himself inside. One more bike, Babu flung himself inside. Manju turned a startled face to him. Someone's coming. So one more bike is coming. So flung himself, in the sense the way he turned with a very speed. Okay, what do you say? Hurry, rushed inside the house and saying, one more bike is coming. Okay, someone else is coming, someone is coming to our house ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ ಕೂಗಿಗೆ ಮಂಜು ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹದ್ದು. So there was a silence. Point number 11. Look at point number 11. There was silence from inside the puja room. Their faces looked at him blankly. So ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? So usually ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ our face will become very blank. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. Similarly, they were sitting inside the puja room, 3 of them. Who are they? Suman, mother and Mohan, mother and Suman, they were sitting inside the puja room, isn't it? Babu was standing outside. Manju was in hall. When Babu rushed inside the puja room and told that someone is coming, they stopped the bike. Their faces became very blank. So after that, what happened? The dim light giving them a peculiar look. Dim light, in the sense, in the puja hall we will of course we will have a dim kind of light, isn't it? So peculiar look. Shadows quivered means, underline that word, vibrate. It means vibration. Vibrate ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಶಾಡೋಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆರಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಡಿಮ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಡುಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ವಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ, ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ದೀಪಂ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು ಬತ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ನೋಡಿದಿರ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ wick. So here we put oil, isn't it? So wick in the oil lamp flickered. How to say flickered means when a bulb is getting burned, you will have a kind of a dim dip light, isn't it? So ಲೈಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗೋದು, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗಿ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಶಾಡೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಬತ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆ ಉರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ದೀಪದ ಬತ್ತಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ and came out, followed by Mohan. Amma got up from puja room and she came out, followed by Mohan. Suman stayed inside and Mohan closed the door of the room. Suman stayed inside the puja room, Mohan closed the door of that particular puja room. Are you all following, actually understanding what is happening? Fine. Manju, go to bed. Babu, you two, both of them, you don't need to be here. It is already 9:30, 10 o'clock in the night. Both of them can go and sleep. Manju, here Mohan is ordering Manju to go to bed. See, all these language functions you have to observe in English. Okay, language function is nothing but ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. Sometimes we use it to appreciate someone, sometimes we will use it to seek some information, sometimes we may say thanks, sometimes we order someone, isn't it? So here these are all called language function. You will have 1 mark question in your examination. You will have 1 mark question. Choose the appropriate language function used for the underlined sentence anta irutte. One conversation you will be having, in that they will underline one sentence. So you will be having 4 options. Okay, like how you had in your midterm examination, I gave one sentence, isn't it? I asked you to choose the right option, whether it is appreciation, order or something like that. Here is an good example. Mohan is ordering whom? Mohan is ordering Manju and Babu go to bed and sleep. Isn't it, Babu? You two go to bed and sleep. Both of you go and sleep. He is ordering because sometimes a kid, if you one time you may say, second time, third time, if they don't listen, you will scold them, isn't it? If you tell it in a very different way or in a with angry face, they will definitely listen. That is the reason Mohan said, it is already late, both of you go and sleep. Point number 12. Look at point number 12. Okay, there was a knock at the door. Knock ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನ ಬಡಿತಕ್ಕಂತಹದ್ದು. knocking the door. ಬಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರು, ಬಾಗಿಲು ಬಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡೋರ್ನ ಬಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರು. Babu rushed to his room. Who is Babu? Rushed to his room, his bedroll, and threw himself on it as if he was sleeping. Babu was sleeping. When he heard the knocking sound of the door, ಆ ಬಾಗಿಲಿನ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಬು, he pretended, ನಾಟಕವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಬು ಅಲ್ವಾ. he pretended as if he was sleeping. Okay, he threw himself inside the blanket or something like that. ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಮಲ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಲಗಿದಾನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ. a knock again, ಟಕ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡೋರಲ್ಲಿ. who's there? Amma called out. Amma is asking, who's there? Again, knock. Mohan, go and see who it is. Manju, who had got into bed too, noticed that though Amma's voice was steady, her hands trembled. Trembled means shivering. Underline that word, trembled, shivering. So Manju she was also pretending. Okay, she was hearing Mama's voice. It was a kind of a shivering voice, but still she's asking Mohan, go and see who's that, who is knocking the door. Amma, it's Patil. Okay, one more person's entry. Who's that? Mr. Patil. Who is Mr. Patil? Why did he come at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the night? Let's see. Who is he? The sub-inspector. Mr. Patil was the sub-inspector of that particular area. Narayanapura. Okay, he came to Mohan's house at that particular night and he was knocking the door. Babu and Manju were pretending like as if they were sleeping. Amma is saying, Mohan, go and see who is coming. When Mohan, he just saw a person standing outside the door and he noticed that it is Mr. Patil, who is the sub-inspector of Narayanapura. Hoping all of you understood so far. After that, what happened and all those things we will see. So, when she heard that he was a sub-inspector, what she did, Amma held Manju's hand in a tight, hurtful clutch. Tight, hurtful clutch in the sense, let's say, if sometimes what happens if we are watching a volleyball match or a cricket match, you will hold your friend hand like this, isn't it? So it is called a tight, hurtful. Sometimes it pains us ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೋವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಭಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಮೋಹನ್ಸ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಹರ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ. ದೋ ಹರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಂತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದಾರಂತೆ? ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋಹನ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಟು ಮೀ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹರ್, ಶಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೈನ ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಂಜು ಡ್ರೂ, ನೋಡಿ, ಡ್ರೂ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಳ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ ಕೈನ, ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ I haven't come to trouble you. Who said this? Mr. Patil, sub-inspector, told in the point number 13, I haven't come to trouble you. A strange voice said, your husband was my friend in school. I am a friend. Okay, Mr. Patil was a friend of that the teacher. Okay, understanding? Mohan, Babu, Manju's father, teacher, right? He has been arrested and he was in a police officer arrested him. Mr. Patil and this teacher, they were friends. Okay, they studied together mostly. I am a friend of your husband. Amma got up quickly and went out. Manju waited a moment and followed her. There was Babu coming out of his room making a show of having been woken out of a deep sleep, rubbing his eyes, yawning loudly and repeatedly mumbling in a grumpy voice, who is it? Who is it? But nobody paid him any attention, and soon Babu was taking in everything with the greatest curiosity. See what is happening here. When Mr. Patil said, your husband is my friend, we were studying together, mother woke up and she thought of inviting them inside. At that point of time, Babu, anyhow, he was pretending like as if he was sleeping, right? So ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ತುಂಬಾ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಅದರಿಂದ he was rubbing his eyes and anning, ಆಗಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ but nobody noticed because all were busy in talking to Mr. Patil, isn't it? So Patil was outside and he was telling, I am your father's friend, all those things he was telling. So nobody noticed Babu. So point number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 are there. So I will share the video in the next thing. Okay, so by now we are going to close the video of Narayanapura incident. The remaining part I will be sharing in the next class. Okay, so till then you have to read the lesson and try to understand what is there for us from 14th to 19th point. Fine then, thank you.